Welcome to Timeless Stoic Life, the space where ancient wisdom helps you build modern strength. Today's message is short, but sharp. Motivation feels good. You get hyped, you make plans. You even post about your goals. But 2 days later, you're back in your comfort zone. Why? Because motivation is emotion, and emotions are unreliable. The Stoics knew this. That's why they didn't rely on hype. They built their lives on something deeper: discipline. Epictetus said, "No great thing is created suddenly. You don't rise when you feel inspired. You rise when you don't feel like it and still show up." Motivation asks, "Do I feel like it today?" Discipline answers, "That doesn't matter." So how do we practice that kind of discipline? The quiet kind, the durable kind. Make micro daily commitments. Choose one small action per day. Never skip it, no matter how you feel. Start your day with this question: what would the disciplined version of me do today? Then, follow that person's path. Practice delaying comfort. Wait 10 minutes before indulging in anything tempting. You're not rejecting pleasure, you're reclaiming control. You teach your brain, "I decide," not the urge. Use an evening tracker. Ask yourself, did I act with principle or impulse? Did I choose clarity or comfort? Read this Stoic reminder out loud. If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it. Marcus Aurelius. Because Stoicism isn't about following your feelings. It's about living by your standards. Motivation comes and goes. But discipline makes you show up. Not loudly, but consistently. You won't always feel like doing the work. But the Stoic doesn't wait to feel ready. He trains to act, regardless. And that's not harsh. That's freedom. If this message helped you get back on track, send it to someone stuck waiting for motivation to return. And subscribe to Timeless Stoic Life for weekly reminders to act from strength, not mood. Don't wait to feel ready. Just move.